feel what's underneath. Bury the noise, tear through the skin. I won't hide what's burning within. Rip me apart, let the truth ignite. This is my war, I won't go quiet tonight. I wear the calm like a second disguise, but rage lives behind these quiet eyes. Counting cracks in my own control, still smiling while I lose my soul. I'm not okay, but I pretend until the calm breaks once again.